I want to show you a pretty cool new tool that you are going to want to use with your kids if you ever show videos. The web address that you go to is www.videonot.es, and you can see that there's a pretty good explanation of what this does. Basically what it does is it lets your students take notes side by side with the movie that they're watching. You can see that it automatically connects with their Google Drive, and so when you connect, you may need to spend some time downloading this first. Mine did it automatically. It's kind of an add-on. But once you get there, you can see right here you can paste the URL of the movie that you're going to show, and I think I have a random one. Yes, I do. I'm going to load the video. On the left-hand side, the video is going to be showing, and on the right-hand side is where the students can take notes. If I start the movie, I'm just going to let it play for a few minutes. Not minutes, seconds. I fast forwarded for a moment on purpose so that you can see when I take a note, I'm just going to say, here she explains what to do with finding the right folder. Blah, blah, blah. That isn't really what you said. But when I hit return, you can see that it time-stamped where that was in the movie. I'm going to fast forward a little bit more. And I'm going to type, here is my hundreds chart. Okay. Notice the time right here. When I click on the timestamp when I'm done, it's going to shoot the movie back to where that note was taken. Okay. You're going to want to title your notes, and I'm just going to call this sample notes. I'm going to save it. And now next time I go into my Google Drive, it's going to be there. Okay, so now I want to access the notes that I took previously, so I'm going to go into my Google Drive, just like I would to get any other Google Doc. And when I get into my Drive, you're going to notice that it appears with like a blank page looking thing. If I click on that, it's not going to load. It's going to say, sorry, this doesn't exist, or something like that. No preview is available. I could still download it that way, but I could also open it with my Google Drive viewer or my video notes. If I go to my video notes option, my notes will show up, and I can revisit what I wrote and when I wrote it. I can go back into the video if I need to check my understanding, etc. You can also see that there's an option to share this just like you would with any other Google Doc. You add the person's name, you can change ownership. Anyway, I hope you find this helpful. One last thing that I want to show you about using video notes is how to set your default so that your notes automatically open up in video notes. And to do that, on your Google Drive, if you click the gear over in the corner for settings, click on Manage Apps, you'll see that all your apps, all your add-ons are here. Scroll down to find the one for video notes, and when you find that one, just click on Use by Default. So from now on, whenever that you go into your notes, it'll automatically open in video notes, and you see right here that little icon changed from the blue paper straight to this icon, and your notes will automatically open up and you are ready to go. Hope this helps.